Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get candy corn in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Halloween event update. Okay, as we know guys that the update has been dropped in Grow a Garden, and I'm going to show you how you can get the candy corn that you can use to buy something from the Halloween market or spooky market. Okay, if you want to get the candy corn, you need to fill the cauldron with the fruits. I'm going to submit all my fruits, and as you can see, I got 10 candy corn as reward. So basically you just need to fill the cauldron with the fruit you have, and you will get reward. And the amount of the candy corn you will earn depends on your points, and you can monitor it on the leaderboard right here. And you can use the candy corn to buy something from the spooky market, and the spooky market will come to your garden every 1 hour. Right here guys, wait, I'm going to show you. Okay, right here, as you can see that it's still 40 minutes until the spooky market come, the next spooky market right here. Meanwhile, for the jack-o'-lantern, it will appear every 2 hours, and the jack-o'-lantern can also help you to get the candy corn, but I will tell you the tutorial next time. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.